Hello and welcome to my class. Today our task is on a matrix. So we have been given a 2 by 2 matrix and we are told to show that m squared minus m minus 5i is a zero matrix where I is a 2 by 2 unit matrix. So since we have our matrix m squared means that I need to multiply the matrix by itself. So let's go through that. So the matrix m is equal to 2, 1, 3, negative 1. So if I'm looking for m squared, then that should be 2, 1, 3, negative 1, also multiplying another 2, 1, 3, negative 1. Okay, so how do we multiply this? So I'm going to take this first row to multiply the column. So 2 times 2, that should give me 4. Then I'm still on the same row, so 1 times 3, that will give me 3. I'm taking the same row, multiplying the second column. So 2 times 1 will give me 2. 1 times negative 1 will give me negative 1. So I'm done with that. I'm coming to the second row, multiplying the first column. So 3 times 2 will give me 6. Then negative 1 times 3 will give me negative 3. The same row by the second column. 3 times 1 will give me 3. Negative 1 times negative 1 will give me positive 1. So now 4 times 3 will give me 7. 2 minus 1 will give me 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is my m squared. Now I'm coming to the second part, which is 5i. Now, the I we are told is a 2 by 2 unit matrix. So for a unit matrix, what are the entries? The entries are 1, 0, and 0, 1. So my 5i now written as 5 multiplying, the entries are 1, 0, 0, 1. So this will give me 5 times 1. I'm multiplying everything by 5. This also give me 0. This will give me 0. And this will give me 5. So now I have written my 5i as this. So now I can come back to this to show this. So now m squared minus m minus 5i. So this is what I'm going to work on now. What is my m squared? My m squared now, the entries are 7, 1, 3, 4. Then minus my m was given as 2, 1, 3, negative 1. And minus my 5i now is 5, 0, 0, 5. So let's work on that. So my m squared minus m minus 5i will now be equal to, so I'll take the top part, 7 minus 2 minus 5. So 7 minus 2 minus 5. Then I'll come to the second part, 1 minus 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 1 minus 0. Then the third part, 3 minus 3 minus 0. So 3 minus 3 minus 0. Then the last part, 4 minus minus 1 minus 5. So 4 minus minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so let's simplify it. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 will give us 0. Minus 0, that's also give us 0. 4 minus minus 1 is plus 5. Minus 5, that will give us 0. So that is what you are getting. So our m squared minus m minus 5i is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, it says we should show that it's a zero matrix. What is a zero matrix? A zero matrix is simply a matrix whose entries are all 0. So now that the entries here are all 0, we have been able to show that m squared minus m minus 5i is a zero matrix. And that is the solution to our question. Thank you.